Social story.
What to do if you're lost in a public place? Hi, I am Myra. Do you know, sometime back, I went to a nearby mall with my mom and dad. I had a lot of fun there, taking fun rides and eating my favorite ice cream. Then I saw a flying red balloon and ran after it. I caught the balloon finally and I was very excited to show it to my mom. But I noticed that my mom and dad were not there. I looked for them here and there but could not find them. But you know what? I didn't panic because my mom taught me some valuable tips to use if I ever get lost in a public place. Let me share those with you. First, let's look at what you should not do. Do not panic or cry. Do not run here and there. Do not hide in a washroom or a closed place. Don't accept a candy or chocolate from any random strangers. Now, let's look at what you should do if you're lost. Stand at a place where there are people around you and where you can be seen easily. Take help only from policemen, firemen, or security guards of the mall. All of them wear uniforms. If you can't find any of them, go and take help from a nearby shopkeeper. Most of them also wear uniforms. They sell stuff from behind the counters. Now, you must be thinking how I reached back to my parents. So, I went to a nearby police lady and told her that I am lost. Then I gave her a slip from my pocket that had my parents' names and phone numbers. Police lady called my dad, and in 5 minutes they came to pick me. I was so happy to see my mom and dad. I promised my mom that I will never run after things in a public place and will keep holding her hand. Now, this is for all the parents watching this video. My parents always tie a band on my hand with their name and phone number written on it. Additionally, they also keep a paper inside my pocket with the same information. They made sure that I memorized their phone numbers and my home address. Remember, you can deal with any situation if you keep calm and do not panic. Let's do a quick recap of what you learned in this video. First, let's look at What you should not do. Do not panic or cry. Do not run here and there. Do not hide in a washroom or a closed place. Don't accept a candy or chocolate from any random strangers. Now, let's look at what you should do if you're lost. Stand at a place where there are people around you and where you can be seen easily. Take help only from policemen, firemen, or security guards of the mall. All of them wear uniforms. If you can't find any of them, go and take help from a nearby shopkeeper. Bye for now. I will see you soon.
We will be bringing more social stories for you soon. Please subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon for regular updates.